Welcome back, it's your boy Jaban and I'm back again. Today we're talking about one of my favorite topics, which is light. There have been so many artists, whether it's in drawing, painting, sculpture, whose careers are just focusing on light. Let's get to Blender. Alright guys, we're here with Mr. Q. Let's go ahead and delete the sun if you haven't. We're going to go to rendered settings, we're going to go on cycles, and this max sample we're going to put at 128, and then we're going to go up here, our viewport shading, we're going to hit rendered. Now we can hit Shift A and we're going to bring in our first light, which is going to be an area light, and we can click G and the Z to bring them up, and you can see them right there already. Now a lot of people are going to tell you when you're first starting with Blender to do a 3-point light setup. That means we're going to bring this light here and we're going to have another light here and one in the back. I think to begin you should just master one light, so that's what we're going to do. So I moved our light over here and now we're going to turn off power. And now what I want to show you guys is how you guys can use just a simple plane, and we're going to take this plane and use it to light up, and then if we bring it in a little bit closer we can get it to bounce off even more light. So just with this plane alone we're creating more light in the scene without having to add lights. If we're able to do with one light what most Blender users are doing with 3, that's going to make us a more robust artist. So I think this is a skill that you guys should master first, because it's so much easier working with one light than it is to go to 3 lights. And that's it for today guys. Catch you on the next one, or on Twitter, YouTube, or Instagram. I'll see you there.